We're on technique and toughness. I mean, that's what we're working on. We gotta pick it up and try to get better. That's what we're trying to do.
Is toughness something which you think has been lacking from the group?
I think we need to. Yeah, I think we need to play as an offensive line. I think we need to play more nasty. But I mean, like I said, we're just trying to prove and get better. That's all I gotta say.
How do you achieve that level of nastiness?
By coming out here and working every day. I mean, you have to practice it to do it in the game. That's how you do it.
He was talking earlier about the standard that he sets, given the standard that's been set here before for offensive lines. In your mind, what is that level of excellence for the offensive line?
Oh, it's for me it's high. It's being nasty, it's cutting, it's, you know, everything. Finishing your block, putting a guy on his back. I mean, and we need to play to that standard. So
what's been the difference between? Is it just the competition between the beginning of the season and the last couple games?
I wouldn't say the competition. Like I said, it's just like small little errors that we need to correct out. It's going to get us on the same page.
Have you talked to Brad? What has he said? Has he given you reassurance? Have you given him reassurance?
Yeah, of course. We give each other reassurance. We have to. I mean, we're a team. That's what we got to do, you know. Believe in ourselves. So.
I'm sorry, does Brad in front of the group take responsibility for any of the sacks? Because he does publicly in terms of saying sometimes I need to get the ball out more quickly. Is that something he does with the linemen?
I mean, I put that on us. I mean, I put that on us. I mean, I wouldn't put it on Brad. I mean, it's not his job, you know. So.
Do you know anything about the Notre Dame history between these two teams?
A little bit. I know it's a big game for us. So, like I said, we're just trying to come out here and get better every day.
All right, last question, guys.
Thank you.
Thanks, Danny.